Let's go! TikTok Lock, go!
Let's go!
Wala yan.
TikTok Lock!
Happy time!
Number one.
Number one.
The farmer is angry. And
Ang magsasaka ay galit na galit.
the farmer is angry also harvest.
Mainit ang ulo ng magsasaka habang nagsasaka.
Fast!
Pag Gen Z talaga mahina sa kasabihan, no?
Number 5.
Ano?
Oh.
If what is full, you also blossom.
Ang labo mo yun. Paano masasagutin ang labo mo?
If what is full, you... Pass, okay.
Yeah!
At least nakakadalawang pass na kami.
Parang di pa ako nananalo sa TikTok na, kuya.
Number 10. Tomorrow is far away.
Ang kinabukasan ay malayo.
Okay, let's do it word by word. Hey, partner, talk to me. Far away is tomorrow.
Ang bukas ay malayo. Malayo pa ang bukas.
If you cannot answer, what are we doing here?
Malayo pa ang
Far
kinabukasan.
away is tomorrow.
Malayo pa bukas.
Okay, 3 points. Pass.
4, 3, 2, 1. We have a winner!
Oh, pink team, meron kayong 2 points. Ang green team, umati ka mong 0. Congratulations, pink team. Sa inyo po ang Ampo Blessings. Ano sa inyo?
Okay! Wow! Congratulations! Kamustahan naman natin? Kamusta naman ang mga natalo?
Well, we're not disappointed. We're not angry.
Because
we have talent fee on.
Buti na lang we graduated ourselves.
wow! Very
Yes.
good.
Yes.
So proud of you guys. Pero ito na, simulan ko lang yan ang bigay ng blessings dahil susunod na ang kantang hindi lang pang-isahan o dalawahan, kundi kantatluhan. Tutukan po yan sa pagbabalik ng
TikTok Lock! Happy time now!
pinanood mo hanggang sa dulo itong video na ito, abay, very good ka. For more happy time, watch more TikTok Lock videos on our official social media pages and subscribe to GMA Network official YouTube channel.